Good day to everyone. Today I would like to show you how to use Google Translate. What is the Google Translate? The Google Translate is a free multi-language statistical and neural machine translation service. Translate text and website from one language to another language. For example, English to Tamil, English to Hindi, Hindi to English, we can translate. Let's see how to do. Just browse the Google, type Google Translate. It will direct you to translate.google.com. Just hit the button Google Translate. So this is a Google Translate page. You can have a detect language and translate language. Once you click the drop down button, you will find out 259 different kind of languages available. If you want a translation language, just hit the button, you will have a different kind of language to translate. How to use Google Translate in your mobile? Go to your Play Store and type Google Translate. So this is a Google Translate app. You can install the app and you can able to translate the world language from your local language. Let's take an example. If I have some news in English language, I want to convert in my local language. Just copy the text and paste it over here, detected language, and you can able to see your local language. Whatever language you want, you can choose. So whatever language you want, you can able to see the language. If I want to read it out, the language, just hit the button listen.
Coronavirus நோய் COVID-19.
Yes, if you want to listen from the English, you can
Coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infectious
so that you can able to translate from one language to another language. If you want to share the content, you can click and share with your Twitter or email. If you want to copy the text, you can click and copy the text. For example, I want my local language into international language. How to change? Just to copy the local language, paste it over here. Automatically you need to change Tamil to English, so your language will transfer from your local language to international language.
testing on humans. Second corona vaccine allowed in India. Good.
Using your voice, you can translate international language into local language and local language into different language. How we can make it? Just hit the button, turn on voice input. Good evening to everyone. Today, I would like to show you how to convert from one language to another language. So this is a way you can able to translate your voice from one language to another language. Click the documents and click browse your computer. If you have a PDF, just select the PDF and click OK. Automatically, this English language will convert into my local language. Just hit the button translate. Automatically it will translate. Using the translate, we can able to read the international book in our local language. Hope you are enjoyed with the Google Translate. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.